When you come into badminton court, you have to keep relaxed, you have to be very focused. This was the only place where I could feel a part of their community. The whole country were expecting me to get another medal, but I had to go through knee surgery. It came from within me that now I have to train harder to be the best player in the world, to achieve for your country, just like a dream happening to me. Being a champion starts from within. The BioLite has been supporting me in my rest and body's recovery. The BioDisc is great for helping my body feel cleansed. Using Amezcua products has really helped me to achieve my body's top performance on and off court. Use Amezcua for overall well-being and be the best version of yourself.